In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch to compact view in comments in WordPress. Whether you're managing a small blog or a bustling website with lots of visitor feedback, organizing and moderating comments efficiently is key. WordPress makes this process customizable, and today I'll walk you through a step-by-step guide to streamline your comment section by enabling the compact view. This will help you save time and manage large volumes of feedback with ease. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to your WordPress site. Once the homepage loads, look for the login option. It's typically located at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click that. This is the first step in accessing your WordPress dashboard where all the magic happens. When the login page appears, you'll be presented with a few different options to log in. For this tutorial, select the Continue with Google option. By using your Google account, you're not only speeding up the login process, but also ensuring a more secure way to access your site. Next, choose the Google account you'd like to use from the list of available accounts. If you're already signed into Google, this should be quick and straightforward. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be taken to your WordPress dashboard. Now, from your dashboard, navigate to the Comments section. You can do this by clicking on the Comments link located in the Admin panel. This section is your hub for viewing, managing, and moderating all the feedback visitors leave on your posts. By the end of this process, you'll have a more streamlined way of handling all those comments. Once you're in the Comments section, look toward the upper right corner of the page and locate the Screen Options button. Click on that to open a panel that lets you customize how the Comments section is displayed. This is a handy tool for tailoring the layout to suit your needs. Inside the Screen Options panel, you'll see various choices to modify the layout. For this tutorial, find the Compact View option and select it. What this does is condense the way comments are displayed, making it much easier to manage a high volume of feedback without feeling overwhelmed. Finally, to apply the changes, click the Apply button. This confirms your selection and updates the comments section to the compact layout. You should now see the difference immediately with a cleaner and more organized view of all your comments. And there you have it. You've successfully switched to compact view in the comments section of your WordPress site. This small change can make a big difference in how you manage and moderate visitor feedback, especially if your site receives a lot of comments. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.